Hi everybody, this is Brendan from LemTask. In this video, I'm going to walk you through three common mistakes people make in Microsoft To Do that slowly create task clutter. Not overnight, but over time, until the app feels noisy, overwhelming, and hard to trust. I'll show you each mistake, explain why it causes problems, show a simple fix, and then explain why LemTask is designed to avoid these issues. There are three common mistakes I see again and again in Microsoft To Do. They're not advanced mistakes, they're everyday habits that feel productive at first, but together they what turn a clean task list into a cluttered one. First mistake is creating too many lists. I have a work list with all of my tasks, a personal list, a training list, admin list, and even a side projects list. On the surface, that looks organized. The problem is that attention gets fragmented. Tasks end up spread across multiple lists, and you have to remember where something lives before you can even start working on it. Important tasks fall out of sight simply because they're on the wrong list. Over time, the system feels tidy, but your brain feels busy. The fix is to reduce the number of active lists. Use one main working list for your daily tasks. Keep secondary lists only for reference or long-term ideas. The fewer places you need to look, the calmer Microsoft To Do becomes. The second mistake is adding due dates to almost every single task. Today, tomorrow, Sunday, today, etc., etc. Do that by clicking on it, add a due date, and so on and so forth. That means overdue tasks pile up. You start feeling behind even when you're making progress. Dates stop being helpful information and start becoming pressure. Use due dates only when they truly matter. A real due date answers this question: what actually happens if this isn't done on that day? If the answer is nothing, it probably doesn't need a date. Most tasks should be pulled into today intentionally and not pushed there by default. The third mistake is never clearing all tasks. Microsoft To Do makes it easy to keep tasks forever, and that's where clutter quietly builds. All tasks create background stress. You scroll past things you no longer care about. The list starts feeling heavy instead of helpful. Even if you're not actively looking at them, they're still taking up mental space. So, do regular cleanups. At least once a week. Delete tasks you no longer intend to do. Move ideas out of the main list. Reset your working list to what actually matters now. A task manager should reflect the present, not your entire history. For context, this is how we do this in LemTask, which is the tool we use ourselves. In LemTask, The system is built to prevent these problems by design. There's less emphasis on multiple lists, artificial deadlines, permanent backlogs, and there's more emphasis on clear daily priorities, a single execution view, and tasks earning their place each day. This naturally keeps clutter from building up without requiring constant maintenance. Task clutter isn't caused by too much work, it's caused by systems that don't match how people actually operate day by day. If you want to see this approach in full, Lemtask is linked below.